Alright, what's up everyone? Welcome to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel. Today I'm going to go over how to install Google Analytics on your website using Google Tag Manager. So in order to get started, you're going to need a Google Tag Manager account, you're going to need a Google Analytics account, and you're going to have to make sure that you install Google Tag Manager onto your website. So in order to do that, one of the easiest ways to do it is just come to admin over here, go to install Google Tag Manager. It's going to give you a code that you need to place right beneath the opening header tag, and then it's going to give you a code that you need to paste right below the opening body tag. So what I've done is I've done this in WordPress. I've done it manually. There's different ways that you can do it, but you just take each of these codes here, and you can see if I open my WordPress website, you go into Appearance, go to Theme Editor here at the bottom left corner, and then all you need to do is click on the header.php file here, and right beneath the opening header tag, we have a code here, and right beneath the opening body tag, we have a code here. You click on update file. It's really that simple. You just have to make sure it always stays there when you are updating your theme. So we're going to come back over here to Google Tag Manager. We're going to come back over to our workspace, and what we want to do is click on new tag. So we're going to be installing Google Analytics onto our website using Tag Manager. So we're going to click on add a new tag here. We're going to name our tag Google Analytics. Click on tag configuration, and we'll just click on Google Analytics, Universal Analytics here. So we're going to track type, just keep it as page view. Google Analytics settings, so you need to set your variable here. So what we're going to do is click on new variable. So your tracking ID, it's going to be for your Google Analytics setting. So what you want to do is Google Analytics tracking ID. And we're going to click here. So what you need to do is enter your tracking ID here from Google Analytics. So we're going to come over here. You're going to come right into the admin screen. So go to analytics.google.com, click on the admin screen. And what you want to do is click on tracking info right here and tracking code. So it'll show your tracking ID right at the top here. So we're going to take this, we're going to copy it, come back over to Google Tag Manager, and under tracking ID, we're going to copy and paste it right here. So we have our Google Analytics tracking ID. We're setting it up as a variable. We're going to click on save, and what it's going to do is it's going to take that tracking ID and put it right here. So our Google Analytics settings is going to be this tracking ID. We're going to trigger this, so we're going to click on trigger on all pages. So now every time someone hits any page, it's going to have Google Analytics tracking that person on our website. So we click on save here. So now you can see it's showing 2 workspace changes. So what we need to do is submit these workspace changes. So we're going to click on submit, and we can just add Google Analytics. Okay, and we're going to click on publish up here. So now if we come back over here to our workspace, you're going to see it's going to have a live version, version 2, published a few seconds ago. So the next thing we need to do is come to our website, and what I like to do is use Tag Assistant. So it's a Google Chrome plugin. It's offered by Google, completely free. You just search Tag Assistant in Google, you will find this. I can also put this URL right in the description for the video. So you just install this on Chrome. We come back over to our website, and what we're going to do is reload this page here. So we reload the page. And then one other thing you might need to do as you're setting up Google Analytics on your website is if you do already have it set up in a different way than using Google Tag Manager, you want to make sure you remove that code from your website. So we're going to come over here. I have this code on my website right here. So you just take this code, just remove it because we just added it using Google Tag Manager, click on save. And now we can come back over to our page, reload it one more time. Okay, so we can come back over to our page here, and what we can do is just click on Tag Assistant up at the top, and you're going to see it's going to say Google Analytics right here and Google Tag Manager. Now to make sure that it's Google Tag Manager that is triggering this tag, what we can do is come back over here, go to preview. So we're entering preview mode here. So we're going to come back over to our website, reload the page one more time. And you'll see down at the bottom, since we're in preview mode, it's showing this here, Tag Manager summary, tags fired on this page, Google Analytics, Universal Analytics fired one time. So it's really that simple to add Google Analytics to your website using Google Tag Manager. You need to make sure that you install Google Tag Manager on your website first, and then you can go and add the Google Analytics tag to your website. Now there's a lot more that you can do, and we're going to have some follow-up videos for some of the different things you can track using Google Tag Manager. So if you have any questions about this, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching my video today, and make sure you subscribe to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel.